Hey y'all, it's the official unboxing. What that say? Lenovo. Okay, I bought this from Best Buy. The receipt will make you scream. Oh my God, there's a receipt. The receipt's scary. Computer, PC, gaming handheld. Legion Go. I have on the side, I have 16 gigabytes of RAM, AMD Ryzen Z1 Extreme, 3.3 gigahertz. Storage is 1 terabyte. Display 8.8. Windows 11 home. We're gonna unbox this. Excuse me, I ain't the best. So they packaged this very well, actually. You know, they made sure this, nothing's gonna happen. This one of those, oh, it can fall. Even if it fell off the truck, it's still good. It's still good. So they have that foam on both ends. The box, very well maintained during its travels. You can see all the specs right here, the highlighted specs. Yeah, looks beautiful. I like Legion. Okay, I like that. Lenovo. Let's cut the sticker. Okay, we're gonna open up together. I like how that look. Let's see. We have a box with a few things in it. The charging cable, USB-C. Nice little feel. It has a barcode to it. Oh shoot! It's covered. Ah. The hell did they expect somebody to get this thing off? You gotta tear this thing? There's like no tab, no nothing. That's weird. You just gotta fight with it, apparently. Okay. 65 watt Lenovo charger. Okay, I like it. It looks like it got a little bit of length to it, which is good. You know, sometimes you get chargers that are just way too short. Okay, that's the only thing that was in this box, I believe. Yeah, only thing that was in this box. Okay. Ooh, okay. Get the best from your device, Lenovo services. Okay. We can look at this and read this later. Apparently there's a code, a discount, yada yada. Yeah, y'all don't need to get too much of that information. What is this? Okay, book, very important information. Please, when you get a chance, just scan over it. I'm not saying you gotta read it. I'm not saying you don't have to read it, but a lot of that stuff is useful information that should not be overlooked. The packaging is very solid. I ain't gonna hold you up. I definitely like the packaging. I like the box. I like all that. Okay. Let me move that over sometimes. Oh, let me put this back in there. Okay. I like it. I like it. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. Okay. Let's see. There we go. Let's toss that over there. Let's get to the real deal. I like the little carrying case. Okay, just give you a little bit of information on what it can do. You can play it game mode. You could dock it. It has a kickstand, and you can use the okay, detach like the Nintendo Switch. Okay, the plug is up top. Okay, so it's giving you in steps what you should do. Plug plug it into the gaming system first, then plug it in the wall, and then which I'm guessing is the power switch. Okay, I like that. Got a case. Actually, it feels just like the Steam Deck's case. There's a size comparison here. Hold on. The Steam Deck's not in here right at this current moment, but very similar. Actually, the lines are going from the top left corner down to the right, and this is going from the top right corner down to the bottom left. So they're going two different directions. The case is a little bigger. It's flat on the back end, where the Steam Deck case has a little indent right here, and it has a handle. This one, I don't even know. Oh, you could charge it while it's inside. Okay, this one has the handle as well, but it's on the back end rather than the front. Okay. They wanted to say, we ain't copying. No way. There's no copying. We not copying nobody's stuff. And, okay. So let's see here. Let y'all open it with me. Okay. So it has the analog sticks. Has a cloth, I guess. It's cloth. I'm guessing this is your cloth to wipe it. Okay, you pick it up with the little strap here. Yo, this is pretty huge in size. It's pretty huge. This, I ain't gonna lie. I kind of like I like the feel of it. I like the feel of it. Okay, so when I was looking up online, they were showing me like these wiggling and stuff, but no, it's pretty secure. It's very, very secure than what, because they were showing like people put tape on the side to make it, I guess, a little tighter so that way it's no wiggle. But this is very secure. I can tell you right now, out the box, this is very secure. Okay. And yes, that's exactly what it is. There's an opening right here, so you can charge the Legion while it's in the case. You can charge it while it's in the case. This right here is for the controller. I guess I'm not sure how to explain it. Give me a second. I guess I can save that for the next video. Okay. I like it. Okay. So I like it. It feels pretty premium. The back end buttons. Okay, these are the switches to take the controller out. There's a little not sure what they explaining. Okay, I don't. It's only on one side. Volume up, volume down, USB, micro SD card slot. Oh, it has a headphone jack. Nice. At the bottom has another USB-C, and this is where the stand is. It feels a little tight too. It feels very tight. Okay. Okay. If the lighting is poor, I apologize, but I guess this is my first unboxing video. Let's see if there's some juice in here. You hold this thing down. Nope. Wow. This is the first unboxing that I've done where there was no juice in the device. That's, wow. It's the first time for everything. But luckily for us, we're not too far from a plug. So let's turn this baby on. Okay. So it says up here, right? No light. Oh, I feel it. Ooh. Ooh. I like that. I like that. So let's see. Do we have enough? I don't think we have enough. Oh, wait. So how you got this thing on? It said 50% in here. Maybe like the Steam Deck has like a battery mode where you cut the power button off. Maybe that was similar. That's probably what the directions was on here, where it's telling you you had to plug it in first and then hit the power button. So it's like a battery standby or something like that mode, to where it won't cut on while it's in the box or anything like that. It'll save the battery life until someone actually uses the device. So that's exactly what it explained on right here on the cover. Okay. Oh, okay. So as you can see, we're sideways with it. We have to go through the settings. Add a secondary skip. Okay, let me hook up to my Wi-Fi. Okay, you don't need to know my Wi-Fi password, do y'all? What now? Checking for updates. I like the lights, the green lights. There's a light around the power button. You can hear the fan, but it's not loud. Oh, okay. It turned up the fan got a little faster, but it's definitely not loud. It definitely feels like a premium device. I kind of like it. Okay, your PC will reset before you continue. Restart, sorry. Ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yo, so compared to the Steam Deck, this thing is a monster. Like, this is like the Steam Deck, like I've had um I've had everything, but I've had the Nintendo Switch that looks like a little, it's a little cute device, you know what I mean? Like it's nice, for what it is, it's nice. But then I got the Steam Deck, and then the Steam Deck was like, oh, now you messing with a monster. Like, this is like, you know what I mean? This is like I don't even know how to explain it. But then you get to this. This is like, so the Steam Deck probably like Godzilla, and then this is like King Kong right here. Like, let's name your device. You know what? I'm gonna have to make a part 2 to this, and I'll get back to you with my experience with it.